Dancehall artist Shenseea has announced her debut album titled Alpha. The announcement comes on the heels of her newly released track Lick, which features two-time Grammy winner Megan Thee Stallion. The track has been met with heavy criticism following its release on Friday. Fans have expressed their disappointment as expectations were high for the international collaboration. Now, over the weekend, Shenseea took to Instagram where she sought to explain the reason for her team deciding on the sample.
We did a sample of Put Your Back in It from Denise, Equinox, and DJ Flex, right? Well, I ended up doing the sample, but I didn't come up with the idea to do the sample. He originally had the sample in the beat, and then he said that, yo, why don't you try to sing the sample out loud? And I said, I never tried it before. Cool, no problem. I think it would be great for like the Caribbean with Jamaican and Trinidadian to like fuse on one.
Despite the many disappointing reviews, Lick debuted at number 1 on the hip-hop rap iTunes top songs chart on Friday, overthrowing Gunna's Pushin' P. The track has also secured over 3 million streams on YouTube. Lick is the first single off the upcoming album Alpha. The project is slated for release March 11. Reggae artist Chronix has reached another milestone within his career thanks to his 2013 single, Here Comes Trouble. Chronix recently announced that the song has garnered over 100 million streams on YouTube. He made the announcement in a tweet. Now, the track is featured on his debut album, Dread and Terrible, which was released in 2014. The EP has topped the Billboard Reggae album chart in the US and the iTunes Reggae charts, both in the United States and Japan. Now, fans have reacted positively to news that Idris Elba is being considered for James Bond's next 007. In a recent interview on the Deadline podcast, film producer Barbara Broccoli sent social media into a frenzy after she revealed that the actor is part of the conversation to play the role. Broccoli also added that she wouldn't even think or talk about anyone else taking the role until No Time to Die has had its run and actor Daniel Craig has reaped the benefits. The British actor has played 007 in 5 films since 2006. He also ended his stint with the most recent No Time to Die. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.